want to share with you one of the mistakes that I find most often on pretty much every single organization's website, my own included. It's a mistake that doesn't have to do with the homepage. It's a mistake that doesn't have to do with any page in particular. It's a mistake that really at its genesis comes back to your philosophy for your website as a whole. The mistake is this: adding content to your online website that does nothing for your end user. You see, a lot of times we'll have a new idea or we'll have a new product or a new vision, and rather than thinking through how it can best serve people who are coming to our website, we look at it as this is important to us, so we want to put it online for other people. Not everybody needs to know every single thing that we do as an organization. Really, all that you do when you continue to add more and more content to your website, not giving any thought as to whether or not a customer or a client would actually find value in it, all we're doing is we're adding to the noise and we're taking away from the things that really are important, the things that we really do want to point our customers towards. So, as you look at your current website, if you feel handcuffed by your current design or the current framework that you're in, don't feel like you can't do anything until it comes time to blow that website up. One thing that you can very easily do is go through every single page that you have and begin to rethink that content. Begin to ask yourself, would a customer actually find value or usefulness out of this page? As you answer that question, change the page up so that you can answer it with an affirmative yes. If you have any questions about this content, please feel free to leave a comment in the section below, or you can reach out to us on our website or email me personally, dave@shrinemedia.co.